Hey guys, so welcome back to the Wise Punch live stream. I hope you guys had a great day yesterday. And of course, my name is David, and as usual, I'll be your host for today as well. Okay, so yeah, as usual, sit back, relax, and enjoy today's live stream. Okay, where we will be fixing a few bugs, and also start to work on the UI for the multiplayer game room. Yeah. Whoa. Okay, that was fast, and you are the first to arrive. So welcome back, Mac. Yes, you are. Okay, that was fast, man. Okay, I actually just pressed start streaming like seconds ago, or less than minutes ago. Yeah, so that was fast. Yeah, so welcome back. Okay, so before we get to creating the game room, okay, so the room for which you can allow up to 4 players, okay, 4. Okay, I'll be fixing a few bugs before we do that. Okay, and the first is, okay, let me just start the game first. Okay, which of course will take a while. Whoa. Oh, okay, that is some heavy rain you have going on there. Does flooding happen quite often over there? Oh, okay. Yeah, if that's the case, then yeah, the city, or rather whoever is in charge of your city, maybe your mayor, okay, we want to consider doing that to allow the water to drain through. Trust me when I say that if you do have classes, do enjoy it, because once you have graduated from your school days, you will miss your school days. Trust me when I say that. So the bug that we're going to fix next is the bug when you use Beat's special skill the 5-hit combo. Okay, so you should not be able to move, but if you press left or right while he's doing so, you can sort of float left or right. Okay, so that's the bug that we are going to fix now. Whoa, hey, that's not actually wise. It's better to it's better to check for alcohol levels, especially when you see someone driving recklessly. Okay, to sort of decrease the rate of car-related accidents. Okay, so as I was saying, okay, we are going to fix a bug with the with Beat's special skill. Okay, so that would be, okay, let me just search for it. Combo, yeah. If allow control force. Okay, fix update. Let's see. Okay, let's take a look at the update method. Okay, so I used to sort of pick individual parts of a PC and buy, or rather, I used to buy them separately and assemble them myself. But you can actually choose individual PC parts and pay someone to assemble them for you. So in a way, you get the best of both worlds. Yeah. So if I were to get a new PC, that's how I would do it. Okay, where you can choose which individual parts you want, the motherboard, the RAM, the graphics card, and all that, even the power source. Okay, and have someone just assemble everything for you by supplying him or her the parts. Okay, so if allow control force. Okay. 0.5. Okay, so if we set if allow control to true, okay, that's when you can control your character. Okay, but if we set to false, then all the input controls will not respond to whatever you are, say for example pressing left or right or jumping. Let me try that again. Okay, we are still able to push your character away. So that means that okay. Yep. Okay, so that means that this line is not actually affecting it. Okay, so instead of doing that, okay, let me search for it, or rather let me just go to the fix update method. Hey, thanks man, I will take that as a compliment. Yeah. Hey, what's up Rido? Welcome to the live stream. How's your day, man? Yeah. So one of the reasons why I include a lot of comments or details in the comments is because okay, this is just in case in the near future if we need to revisit any part of the code. Okay, then we will know what that specific block of code is for. Okay. Okay, so that will help with. That will also help with if you are collaborating with someone. Okay, so having some comments here and there will help others understand what you are trying to do. Okay, let's see. Okay, so if we are using our special skill, okay, at least for the first character, okay, we should not be able to control him. Okay, so that is what this is for. Okay, so I'm just going to do something here to sort of do some testing. Okay, so here, okay, else, okay, h equals to 0. Okay, so this is if control of the character is not allowed. Okay, so let's see what that does. Okay, so if I use my special skill, oops. Okay, so there's actually a distance limit to beats 5-hit combo. So if there's no enemies within close proximity, okay, that's when the special skill will not work. Okay, so we are still able to push left or right. Hey, what's up, man? Marlock, welcome to the live stream. How's your day? Okay, so this does nothing. Okay, so just for testing purposes, okay, I'm just going to print some messages in the console. Oh, by the way, I was just waving to another friend from another local game studio as he walked past outside of the room. Yeah. So H is H. Okay. Okay, so for this bug, okay, we are going to see what messages will be printed here in the console. Okay. Huh. Okay. Yeah. Okay, that's weird. Okay, so this means that if allow control is true, oh, hey, welcome back, Anasazi. How's your day, man? Okay, it's false. Oh, hey, I sense some romance over there between you guys. .5 reset. Okay, true. Okay, so somewhere else we are setting this to true. So that's not what we want. Okay, false, true. Okay. Okay, so what if we, oops, so what if we do not reset this to true? Okay, let me try that again. Oh. Hey, glad to hear that, man. I had a great day as well. Yeah. Okay, there wasn't much, or rather, after yesterday's live stream, there wasn't much progress, but I did put in some thought about getting someone else to join the team as well. Be it either an intern or someone to help out part-time or full-time. That's weird. Okay, so by default, if allow control is false, true. So over here, okay, so by right it should not go into this loop, or here. So the only reason if it comes into this block of code is if we are setting this to true somewhere else. Okay, let me just do a quick run again, just to take a look at the character's stats or attributes. Okay, so what we are doing today is actually to fix a few bugs before we start creating the UI for the game room that you can create for up to 4 players for the multiplayer versus mode. So right now I am fixing one of those bugs. So if allow control, so we need to take note of this. Oh. Hey, thanks for joining us, and I will say that I will miss your jokes. Oh, hey, that's right. It's weird not hearing any jokes from you. So that was kind of weird. As I have suspected, we should set this to false, but it always stays. But it is reset to true. Somewhere else we are resetting this to true. What if by the way, if you want to watch the rest of today's live stream, I will upload it onto YouTube as well. So don't worry if you miss the rest of the live stream today. I knew it. So once it came into contact with okay, I know where we are, where we need to make the changes. So the reason why it was resetting itself is because we have to go to the enemy script. Okay, if allow control, yeah. Oh, okay. If allow control. Okay. Yeah, so over here. Ooh. Hey, what's up, Con1? Hey, that's a rather cute name you have there. How's your day, man? Okay, so this is where we reset it to true again. Okay, player.true, let's see. Yeah, okay. So we need to sort of change this so that it does not always reset it to true. Okay, so that means that we can actually just include a condition here. So if we are using this special skill, then okay, we will not reset it. Okay, let's see. Okay, so just to allow us to check when you are using your special skill, okay, we'll add in a new sort of boolean to check for that. Okay, if using special skill, so by default it will be false. Oh, by the way, Anasazi, how's your space game coming along? Okay. Okay, if allow control. Okay, if using special skill goes to true. Revert special. Okay. Okay, so for this we will put it at, let's see, reset triggers. Okay, we have to put it somewhere where it will be caught by all of the 4 characters special skills. So that means so that we can just type it out once. Okay, anyway, we are trying to reuse it. Okay, revert special. Okay, reset triggers, and reset triggers. Okay, but for our first character bit, it will be somewhat different. Yeah. Okay, so that means we have to place it in 2 separate locations. So one over here. So if using special skill is false, okay, reset our triggers over here. Okay, so if using special skill is false, okay, if using special skill is false, okay, what about Asuka? Let's see. Okay, else. Okay, so this is for Asuka. Okay, if resetting for Asuka. Okay, so now we can come back over here. If using, if player dot if using special skill. Hey, what's up, Kaibutsu? Is there a typo in your username? Yeah. Because Kaibutsu should be K-I-B-U-T-S-U. Oh, hey, welcome back, David. How was your last weekend? Okay, if not using special skill. Oh, hey, good man. Okay, I really like the environment here. Okay, because you are surrounded by many local game studios as well. Yeah, but if you are free, anytime you can come and visit me if you want. We are at around Buona Vista area, just across the One North MRT station. so let me try this again. Huh, interesting. Yep, okay. So we have fixed that bug. So now when you're using Beat's special skill, okay, you will not be able to move until the skill is over. Oh. Oh, hey, sorry about that. Yeah, I might have missed your call. I promise not to miss it again. Sorry about that, man. Oh, are you still at your co-working space at I remember it was somewhere in the east area, right? Okay, so let me just change. Excuse me. Windows. Oh, yeah, Geylang. Yeah, that's right. Windows, new folder. Yeah, there is a lot of good food over there. Oh. Yeah. Hey, I will definitely I will sometimes go over there to maybe see if you can meet up for lunch, because Geylang should have a lot of good food over there. Yeah. Oh, okay. So they went back to school, as in they were. Oh, okay. So maybe to advance your education. Okay, let me just add a new change log here. Okay, so this is for the next version, or the next game patch version. Oh. Oh, okay. So is that could be something similar to an internship, right? Okay, so one of the bugs fixed here, or that we have just fixed. Okay, fix a bug where where you can move around while bit. Oh, okay, I see. Oh, that's good, because a few days ago, okay, someone emailed me to apply for an internship over here at White Sponge. Yeah, so I'm still considering. Yeah, I'm still thinking about it. okay, where you can still move around, okay, even after activating Beat's special skill, okay, the 5 hits combo. Oops. Yeah, that is true. Because he actually came for the interview yesterday. Yeah. So that was quite interesting, getting to know, getting to interview someone, or rather just maybe just a casual chat. Yeah. It's true that it will possibly take up some time for me to train him. Because from what I've learned about him, because he really lacks a lot of experience, but what I find to be, or rather what I think is the most important is if that person has the attitude or not. Hey, welcome Break Place TV. Okay, welcome to the White Sponge live stream. Okay, I hope you enjoy yourself here, and yeah. Okay, changes. Okay, let me just sort of add to the changelog for the upcoming game patch coming out later today. Yeah, even though I mentioned that it was an internship, but it's interesting how you can also learn from them, from their perspective as well, or things that matter to them when they are applying for an internship. Yeah. So even from an interview, you can also learn a lot from that. Okay, so added a new list of regions or server regions for you to choose to connect to. Choose a nearest orbit. Okay, for the multiplayer versus mode. Okay, choose a server that is closest to you for the lowest latency. Oh, by the way, David, are you still using the same number? Okay, if that's the case, I can WhatsApp you. Okay, maybe before I actually meet up with you for lunch. Okay, a new list, a new pop-up will appear for you to choose a list. Oh. Okay, yeah, there's no need for you to type out your number here. Okay, just let me check. Oh, are you still using the number that starts with 972? Okay. Okay, you want to connect to... Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, that's a good idea. Okay, so a new pop-up will appear for you to choose which server region you want to connect to. Or rather, okay, maybe I should rephrase this. Okay, so when you, when you select the multiplayer versus or the challenge, okay, I need to learn how to spell. Okay, the challenge versus mode. Okay. Okay, after which, okay, if you have not created an user name yet, the game will prompt you to do so. If not, okay, you will be brought to the multiplayer overview screen. Okay. Okay, so there is actually one more bug, okay, that I have to fix before. Okay, we actually start on the game room UI. Okay, so this is the multiplayer option. Okay, so when you select it by pressing enter, you can choose. Let me pause the background music. Okay, you can choose which server region that you want to connect to. And of course, choose the region that is nearest to you for the best multiplayer experience. just choose US for now. Okay, so this is the overview. Okay, on the left is a list of players with the who are in the same league as you. So everyone starts from bronze 3. Okay, and okay, I'm using photon networking. Okay, so let me just so you can create a game room by, of course, entering a room name, which okay, right now we just only have the interface. I have not added the functionality yet, so this is just the interface. Okay, so I'm actually using photon networking. Oh, okay, so let me just show you the website for photon networking. Yep. And of course, I've read through the documentation and the SDK and stuff and all those. So it seems like it's quite. The setup for the multiplayer is quite straightforward. Yeah. So things like the pricing. So depending on how many players you want at once or how many monthly actives, so that's when you can choose which plan you want. And oops. Okay. So this is I think a sort of like a quick start documentation, and the region, the server regions are all hosted in these 5 regions. Yeah. Okay, so that's why I've added the list of regions for you to choose from. Yeah. Yeah, you could say that it is similar to PASS. Yeah. Okay. Depending on the game, okay, how you implement the sort of multiplayer is up to you, but I added the list for you to choose from, so that you can decide whether you want which region you want to connect to. Yeah, so the documentation even sort of guides you and say you can either let the game decide which region is best for you, or have different client versions each for each region, or let you choose which region you want. Okay, so that's what I went with, because I want to give you the freedom to choose which region you wish to connect to. Okay, so that is something that I came across from playing League of Legends, I think StarCraft 2, multiplayer games. Yeah. Okay, so here in the back end, or rather in the script here. Oh no, I don't think League of Legends uses photon, but in the game itself, I think, if I recall correctly, it allows you to connect to regions that you choose from. Okay, for the best multiplayer experience. But I don't think it uses photon. Yeah. Okay, so over here, create room. Okay, so before we actually, okay, so this is called when we create a game room. Okay, so in the game room, okay, in addition to being able to choose your character, okay, we also add maybe a center chat area for you to chat with the other 4 players. Okay, so this will allow you to sort of organize custom matches by creating a custom game room, and of course up to 4 players, 2 to 4 players. Okay, so going by the sort of documentation and the SDK, okay, we can connect to the Photon network just by using photonnetwork.connect the region. Okay, selected. Oh, sorry. Okay, so over here we'll get the region codes here. Okay, selected region. Okay, let me see. Cloud region code. Oh, interesting. Okay. Okay, cloud region code dot. Oh, okay. Okay, so the SDK actually included its own region code, so I did not actually have to create that. Oh, okay. So if that's the case, let me take a look at the script over here. Okay. Okay, let me search for the cloud region codes. Oh. No. Oh, okay. So it should be here. Okay, cloud region. Yep. Okay. Okay, it's not in order. Okay, it's not in the same order as what I have. Okay, that is indeed kind of irritating. Okay, so the order in which I have created it is where do I have it? Here. Oh well. Okay, that means that we have to create a yeah, we have to do some conditional checking here. Okay, so I'll do a simple switch. Okay, selected region. Oh, oh, okay. Okay, I didn't know that the autocomplete does that, so that's cool. Okay. Okay, dot connect to region. Okay, cloud region code dot US 1.08a. Yep. Okay. So I can just copy and paste everything here. Okay, and we'll change this to EU and this to Asia. Okay, and as for Japan, it will be JP, I think. Yeah. Australia will be AU. Yep. So if that's the case, I do not need this. Okay. Okay, so when you enter the multiplayer overview, okay, we do not actually connect to the server, the Photon server immediately yet. Okay, but we just retrieve the data from my server, where we store some of your data, such as the number of wins and losses, the number of trophy cups you have, and which league you are at, either bronze 3 or bronze 2 and above. Okay, and that depends on how many trophy cups you have. So only when you create a room, then we will actually connect to the game server to create a room. But of course, we still have to check if the room name already exists or not. So if I recall, we can do that by getting a list of rooms. Yeah. So by using for each, I think, yeah, room, photon network dot get room list. Oh wait. Okay, photon network dot room get room list, so it returns an array of room info. Okay, so room info, room infos with an S equals to photon network dot get room list. So we'll use for each here. Okay, room info RI in room infos. Unreachable code. Okay. Okay, so this is where we'll check if the room name that you have entered exists or not. Okay, so here, we have to pass in the name of the room. Okay, so string room name to create. Okay, so check each room in the room list. Okay, to make sure that the Oh wait, okay. Okay, so before doing this, okay, there is actually, if I recall correctly, there is actually a way to create the room directly, and if the room already exists, then if I recall correctly, the Photon servers will actually give you an error saying that the room already exists. But so that's the other way of doing it. So I have to judge to see which is actually faster, so that you do not have to wait that long to find out that the room name that you want already exists. So whichever option gives you the best gameplay experience, that's what I'm going to opt for. Okay. Okay, so we are going to compare which is faster. So if we just retrieve all of the room lists from the server, from the Photon cloud servers, or if we create the room and the Photon cloud servers returns us an error. Okay, in theory, retrieving everything at once should be faster. Okay, in theory. Okay, because you do not have to actually search through everything, and if we do the checking here at the client side, it should be faster because it's done locally. Okay, let me just check. Okay, Photon network dot create room. Oh, okay, join or create room. Okay, room options, type lobby. Let's see. Okay, let me take a look at the documentation. Okay, create or oops. Okay, or join. Okay, so they recommend us to use this. Okay, let's see. Okay, networking pure. Okay, let me search for that. Okay, create room. Base dot base. Hey, what's going on? Is it lagging for you, or are the video frames lagging? Okay, let me just test it. Interesting. Okay, so I'm going to continue with my existing method. Okay, by checking the names in the room list. Okay, so ri dot let's see. Okay, name. Okay, so if ri dot name is equals to our room name to create, okay, we can break the loop immediately. Hey, welcome Inclusive Taylor. How's your day? Are you using wireless or wired now, Anasazi? Okay, so I have a boolean here. Okay. So instead of returning void, not returning anything, let's return an error or status. Okay, let's return a boolean. Okay, over here by default we return true. Okay, but over here we will return false. Oh, okay, oops. Okay, so if found existing room name, okay, return false to indicate that this room name already exists. Okay, and before we actually give that error, let me just disconnect from the network, because if we are not actually in one of the active multiplayer game matches, then there's no point to staying connected to the server. Okay, so this will also help reduce the number of active connections to the server. Okay. Inside lobby. Okay, let me check that. Oh. Hey, welcome back, Mac. I thought you said that you had to go off. Okay, inside lobby. Okay. So when we connect to a region, okay, let me just go to the documentation. Okay, region master. Okay, so in our multiplayer client here, so if I do connect to okay, what's the difference between connect to region and connect to master? Okay, photon networking, connect to master. Okay, so I'm just taking a look at the API. Okay. Okay, so when we actually connect to the server in the region, okay, we have to check for network issues, and just in case the subscription limit or the number of active connections limit has been reached. Okay, so we have to check for those situations just in case. Okay, so where do we get the error for that? On connection fail. Okay, so that means we might need to set up some callback methods. Yeah. Okay, so let me see how can I set that up. Okay, so let's see. Okay. Okay, so just for testing, on created room, okay, so we'll add that. Yeah, over here. Okay, before we add that, okay, so just for testing, I'm going to create a room here. Dot create join or create room. Is there another create room here? Can only be caught on master server. Room options and type lobby. Okay, so we'll pass in our room name. So room name to create. Room options. Okay, let me create a new room options. Room options. Okay, let's see what are the room options that we can have. Dot custom room properties. Okay, max players byte. Hey, what's up, Neko Draco? Okay, welcome, and how's your day, man? Okay, byte, new byte. Okay, let's take a look at how do we create the room options. New room options. Oh, okay. Default. Okay, what does default mean? Okay, let me try that first. Okay, by the way, you might have noticed that this is my first time using Photon, so I'm still studying the SDK and the documentation. Okay, oops, you. Okay, new room options. Max players equals to 4, comma, type lobby dot default. Two arguments. Let's see. Oops. Create room. Okay, so we'll add the callback method which is on created room. Okay, so I'm not sure if this will be caught, but okay, let's create it. Okay, so this is just for testing, creating of a game room. Okay, room plus room name. Oops. Let's say, okay, let's say the new room is created. Okay, so this is just for testing. Create room. Okay. Okay, so I'm just making sure that okay, networking pure dot create room. Okay. Okay, but I have to say that adding this multiplayer option to Stellar Stars is really fun. Okay, because I get to create a new gameplay experience for you, and I get to learn something new as well. So for me, it's a win-win situation. Okay, create room will be, let's create a room. Oh, okay. Base dot create room. Oh, load balancing pure. Hey, what's up, Plasnoid and Wago? Welcome to the White Sponge live stream. How's your day? Create. Okay, so this is create room. Okay, so just for testing purposes. Okay, so in the multiplayer screen, okay, let me just go back to that. Okay, over here, hey, that's good, man. Right now, we are just starting to add in multiplayer part of Stellar Stars. Creating a new room, yeah. So right now, I'm just testing creating a game room on the servers. Okay, for room name. Okay, so multiplayer client.create room. Okay, enter room name. Okay, so this is just for testing first. So if the room is created, then we should see this getting printed, okay, saying that a new room is created. Okay. So let's test what we have just added. So even though we have not designed the interface yet, okay, I'm just testing the sort of the foundation, okay, the basic foundation for it, for creating the multiplayer game room. Because in the game room, you will be able to choose which character you want to use or you want to play as when you are up against the other 3 players, and also you'll be able to chat with them, with the other players. Oops. Yeah. Okay, let's connect to Asia because that's where I'm at. Create room. So room 1, if I press enter, oh, okay, I set that myself, 1. Okay, create room field. Wait for callback. Okay, so we have an error here. So it's not on master server, or not yet ready to call operations. Oh, okay. Okay, so it's good that we got to test this so that we know what needs to be done or rectified in order for this to work. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So that means that we actually need to wait for it to connect to the master server before we call create room. Yeah, so we cannot do it in the way we are doing it now, which is to connect to the server and create the room immediately. So we have to actually give it sort of a short grace period for it to connect to the server. Yeah. So if I enter now again, oh, that's weird. On join lobby. Oh, okay. So we need 2 new callbacks method. Okay. So that will be on join lobby and on connected to master. Okay, let's do that. Okay, so let me just create a new region for that. Photon callback stack. Okay, end region. Okay, void on join lobby. So this is when you have joined the main lobby before we create a game room. And also on connected to master, okay, the master server. Okay, for each region. Okay, so I'm just going to Okay, so new, let's see. So instead of creating the room immediately after calling or making the game connect to the server, it will only create the game room after you have connected to the master server in the region. Whoa. Hey, that's a rather cool username you have there. Is that pronounced as evil hex? Okay, so join lobby. Okay, and connected to master. Okay, so instead of creating the room here, okay, we'll create it when you have connected to the master server here. Okay, and you need to set a string here, room name. Okay, so room name equals to room name to create. Okay, so this will be room name. Okay, so we will only create the room after you have connected to the server, the master server. Okay, so let's try that again. Okay, so if this works, we should see. Okay, let me just bring up the console here. Okay, we should see master connected to master and game room created, which will come after the Asia. So let's create. Let's enter a name of a room. Yep. So first we see connect to region Asia, and then we see connected to master, and a room is now created. Okay, so we have created a new room on these servers. Okay, so what happens if okay. Yeah, this is really fun. Okay, and as I got to learn about how to set up the basic room creating process, but we have to actually change this. Okay, because let's see, sometimes this method or this callback might be caught in other situations, and we do not want to always create a room when that happens. Okay, so that's when we need to set up multiple states here. Okay, so let me create the states. Okay, let's call this okay, or should we just reuse the multiplayer states? Yeah, we should do that. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to, okay, let me create a new region here, region references. Okay, and region. So public multiplayer scene manager. So we will reuse what we have already created. So at least in that sense we can be more efficient. Okay. So we will need to connect or rather link the multiplayer client, or rather the multiplayer scene manager to the multiplayer client. Oops. Yep. So yeah. Doing that, we can then just come over here, or rather we need to go to our constants file. Over here. Where we have different multiplayer states. So we'll add a new state here, and let's call it room, rather waiting for room being created. So going back to the multiplayer scene manager here, so this is where we'll change the state to waiting for room being created, because we are going to create a new room here. So in the multiplayer client script, so if multiplayer scene manager dot multiplayer state is waiting for the room to be created, that's when we will actually create a room. So once we are in the room, that's when we can change the multiplayer state again. And that's in our constants file. So we'll add a new state here. And let's call it in-game room, or rather waiting in game room. So this is before everyone is ready, or everyone is just chilling and chatting in the game room. Let's just call it waiting room. So when the room has been created, we'll just say that the so if you were waiting for the room to be created and the room has been created, then we will update the state to say that okay, you are now waiting in the room. Okay, so okay, new room with name plus room name plus okay, waiting in it. Yeah. Okay, so we'll test this again. Okay, so in order for us to add the chat functionality to the game room, okay, we also create a channel, okay, that is for each game room, okay, so that you can subscribe. So it will automatically subscribe you to the channel. So any messages that you type in the channel will be sort of broadcast to anyone in the same game room. Okay, so C room name 1. Okay, enter. Yep. Okay, so yeah, we have not created the interface for it yet, but okay, so now we can create a new room with a specific room name, which you can let your friends know so they can join the same room and you can chat with your friends before the actual match. Oh, hey, welcome back, man, Anasazi. So we haven't actually created the interface for the game room yet, but I have sort of set up a basic foundation for you to create a game room on the server, on the Photon servers, and yeah, using a custom room name. So depending on the region, so when you call the create room method here, and depending on the region, you will connect to the master server, which when it does, okay, it will call the this callback method, and that's when we will actually create the room. Okay, so once the room is created, then yeah, you'll be in it waiting for everyone to get ready. Okay, yeah, so I can just let me just show you how that works or how that flows. Oh, okay. So when you choose multiplayer, okay, you can select which region you want to connect to. Okay, so since I'm based in Singapore, I'm going to choose Asia. Okay, and from here, okay, we can press C to create a new room. And let me just enter a random room name. Okay. And once I press enter, okay, we'll connect to the master server in Asia, and once it is connected, it will tell us that we are connected to master, and that's when we will create a new room. Okay, and if the room is created, then okay, this will display. And of course, when this happens, okay, what you see over here in the game will be changed to the it will change to the interface for the game room. which of course we have not designed yet. So this is just the basic foundation for it. Okay, we also need to add in things like what happens when the room name is already is not available anymore. Okay, what happens when the room name that you want has been taken up by someone else. Okay, so those are things that we need to consider. Okay, play. Yeah. Okay, but before that, we'll need to create the UI or the interface for the room. So that's the next thing that we will need to do. So as always, when before I start on any UI or any new interface, okay, we'll always use Paint to do some quick sketching and prototyping. Okay, what's up, Marcus? Welcome, and how's your day, man? Okay, so to create a consistent experience, okay, there will also be two black bars. Okay, one above and one on the bottom. Okay, let's save this as okay, in game room version 1. Okay. Okay, by the way, there will be a new game patch coming out later today. So it will include the things that I have just added and the bugs that I've just fixed. Okay, so you can follow me on Twitter, and my username is @whitesponge. Okay, because because you can get up to the second update on when the new game patch should be live later today. So I'll be tweeting it when it's live. So do follow me on Twitter. Yeah, so that's it for today's live stream. Okay, so I hope that you guys have enjoyed today's live stream. We'll be streaming live tomorrow as well. So look forward to that, and look forward to the new game patch that will be coming out later today. Okay, so have a great day and see you guys soon. Cheers. Oh, and thanks for sharing the Twitter link, Anasazi. Have a great day, guys. See ya.